Hi, we're Nick and Danielle Thompson. We live in Cape Town, South Africa. For the last 4 years, we've been a part of All Nations community under two separate organizations called Soteria and Baby Safe. I worked in Soteria and helped found it. Um, our primary mission was to help abused women and children. My role within Soteria as a male was working with the abusers, so men who beat up and hurt their wives and girlfriends. My role was to disciple them, help them realize what they're doing was wrong, and also bring love of Christ into that relationship. I also worked a lot within the school, helping specifically young men between the ages of 15 and 18 to get back into school, out of gangsterism, off drugs. And I saw a lot of success in the school. We had great favor within the school, and I was allowed to work with quite a few students. Generally, the cases I got were very difficult cases, either attempted suicides or young men who were not able to be controlled at all within the school, and it disrupted the classes. I saw a lot of God's grace and His love within these young men as they came into their potential, and we saw quite a few men come back into school and out of gangsterism and drugs.
Yeah, and I worked with Baby Safe International. It was a ministry founded to help prevent baby dumping in South Africa. We intervene with abandoned babies and empowered and supported at-risk pregnant women and mothers. We also provided a baby safe drop box that provided a safe and legal option for women to anonymously abandon their babies as an alternative to dumping. And this, of course, is a last resort. A lot of what we did was supportive to the mothers themselves. The majority of my role centered around pregnancy counseling, counseling pregnant women about options, and counseling mothers on how to take care of their children. I had the privilege of working in the government hospital for 4 years as the abortion counselor, where I could intervene with women who'd reached their lowest point and talk to them about options, but also talk to them just about the love of God and grace, and to support and love them in a very difficult situation. I've seen countless hundreds of women just through that opportunity alone. At least 25% recorded have changed their minds, and many others have come to us for just support as mothers, as women, for help and healing and strength. We've seen babies placed in the safe and adopted by loving homes. We've seen mothers raised up to be good parents where they didn't know how before to get out of desperate situations, and be good mothers, make changes to their lives, get jobs, love their children, and just realize that they have value in Christ as women, as mothers, and hundreds of babies and mothers have been touched. We met Dr. Hinkle in 2013. We were traveling in Tulsa, Oklahoma, my hometown, to raise personal support and awareness as missionaries. And Dr. Hinkle approached us after we shared at his church, and as his gift to us wanted to do all of our dental work for free, which is a huge blessing as missionaries, as dental work is not often in the budget, and turned out we had some extensive work that needed to be done that we probably couldn't have afforded on under normal circumstances. And Dr. Hinkle just took couple of weeks of his time to give us fillings and root canals and cleanings, and just really blessed us in such an amazing way. And so we just want to offer our thanks, and we're so blessed by the amazing work that he's done for us, the way that he's supported us. It's a tremendous blessing that we can never repay.
Yes.